Hi, third graders. Today in writing, you're going to do something a little bit different. If you're someone who's still drafting, you're going to continue to draft, but I thought I'd give you some time today to start typing up your work if you haven't already done so. And the more I thought about it, the more I thought Google Slides might be the best place for us to type our work. So I'm going to walk you through quickly how Google Slides works. The reason I want to do it this way is because I feel like you guys can insert pictures more easily and graphic text features, and you can play around with text boxes and change the size and shape. So I've made a little bit of a template for you that you don't have to use, but it gives you a sense of what you should include in your writing, which is your table of contents, your introduction, chapter 1, chapter 2, chapter 3, you might have chapter 4, and your conclusion. It tells you right here, click to add text. What you're working in here is called a text box, which can be dragged around almost like a picture can. You're going to add text if you wanted to do a bullet point for your table of contents. You can go over here. It gives you more formatting options, and you can choose bullet points or numbers. Moving your bullet points in and out are these two keys right here, so moving them in and out. You'll have to just play around with this as you go. Then you're going to go type your table of contents. When you go to type your introduction, you're going to put your cursor within the box and you can just start typing. Remember, tab is how you indent. So you might start typing. Use all the same typing functions you would in Google Docs. But again, you're going to make each chapter its own slide. If you need to add a slide, say chapter 1, I typed 2 paragraphs here and I realized, wait, I need more space. You can just go right here and go to this plus sign, click on the slide, hit the plus sign, and we'll add a slide after it. If you wanted a slide before it, you can just drag your slides around. But if I wanted a slide after it, I could put it right here. I can add a title, my introduction continued or chapter 1 continued. And then I could continue typing. Right now, all I'm asking you to do today is spend some time going through and typing some of your chapters up, because I know a lot of you have edits and writing between texts and between your notebook and online text, and I think it might be really helpful for you to start in our publishing format, because we're nearing our publishing days. If you have your writing in a Google Doc, let's just say I had my writing in a Google Doc, you have the option of copying and pasting. So if you're in your Google Doc and you open it up, and you have all this text, all you need to do is drag and highlight with your cursor, Control C, or right click copy. And you can go into back to your slides, wherever that text goes, if it's in table of contents or chapter 3, or whichever chapter it's in, Control V, or right click paste, which is not showing up right now, but that's how you paste it. So Control C is copy, Control V is paste. So if you've already spent time typing in Google Docs, it should be easy enough for you to move it over to Google Slides. Okay, play around with this today. If you're really having a lot of trouble, just work on taking time to continue drafting today and making sure that your introduction and conclusions are finished and that most of your chapters are complete, because we're nearing the publishing phase and I wanted to give you guys kind of a head start on that. All right, writers, happy working today.